Different colour. Ah, that's sick. Look at that. No, that is hard.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up.
What is good, everyone? It's DSG Panther back with another video. Now today we are going to be installing RGB lighting on the Polo. Now I think it's RBG or whatever it is. I don't even remember, you know. But we have these interior lights from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description if you guys want to get them. Shout out to the guy in the Polo group who actually helped me get the ones that I need. But yeah, let's get this open. Let's have a look and see what we have. Ooh. So, as you can see here, we actually have LED strips. Now these will sit underneath where your footwell goes, obviously because they're footwell lights. So that would be quite cool. Now I'm guessing that this USB is how you get all the power. So you literally just plug it into the USB slot and then you get the power. And then this is the box. So I think you actually just hook this up next to the footwell on the left, and then yeah, you should be good to go. Now also you get some little wipes for the adhesive to seal, but I think we should be right anyway. And then you also get a little manual, because you do actually get an app which can control how bright and all that stuff, because I don't want these too bright. So this is actually going to help me so much. So let's get into this. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let's get into the install of these interior lights. Alright guys, we're now in the car, so we're actually going to try and install this. Now I'm not too sure, obviously I said that I think this goes in the USB slot, but we will find out. Obviously I'm not too sure if it does, but yeah. So I'm just going to take this cable tie off, and we're just going to make sure that these LEDs actually work, because if they don't work, but we only have, my only problem that I can see is, do I only have one? Yeah, so I only have one USB slot. Shit. I won't be able to charge my phone. And that might be a problem. Alright, so if you're not quite sure what I'm on about, obviously the USB is here. But down here, as you can see, there's only one USB there. This one is a volt. So if I can get one of the bigger chunky chargers in there, then a USB for this, then I should be alright. So I think I have one for that I had in the course, so yeah, we'll be alright. But yeah, let's get into this. Alright guys, so just want to say, ignore the mess down here. I can't help that, it's just because it's a car being used. But yeah, so we're going to stick this up here and we're going to see what this is like. So guys, we have now installed the first one. As you can see, it's just sitting up there. I don't know where else to put them, so I'm just going to put them there. Then I'm also going to cable tie or stick the little box there. If you see that box, I'm going to put that box on the side here, so obviously it'll be running down here. Cable management is going to be an issue for now, but I just want to get this all set up, make it looking good. So let's get into the next part. Alright guys, so we have done this side now and the driver's side. Now we just got to do the rear seats. But we're just going to go and make sure that these work quick. So let's have a look. Alright guys, so on the box I was talking about earlier, it actually has a QR scanner. So let's see if this works at all. So it's taking me somewhere, I guess. I'm not quite sure where it's taking me. Oh, so it's taking me to a website. Cool. So let's see. Hopefully this downloads it and we can see what the lights are looking like. Obviously it's sunny outside, so I won't really be able to show you until tonight. It's a Thursday today, so luckily I've got enough time to do it. But yeah, so yes, I want to use my Bluetooth. Settings allow. Okay, let's see what this does. Allow new connection. I'm guessing it's all Bluetooth then. No way, guys, I've actually sorted it out. And look, so if I adjust it here, so we can go like multicolored. Look now, yeah, look, they're back. Let's go, boys. Different colour. Ah, that's sick. Look at that. No, that is hard. Alright guys, a little catch up. We've now finished the setup. I have now tucked all the tyres away, so I'm just going to show you how I've done that, and then after that I'll cut to tonight, to when here we can see him, man. It's like a little disco, bruv. There, this is gonna look sick here. I'll just show you how I've managed to try and keep all the ugly cables away. So yeah, the power is there, and then you have the box down there, and obviously you have the passenger, the driver's side one there. Obviously I will tape that to the side so it's not sticking out. Second one goes all the way to the back and all the way behind this chair here, which I'll show you better in a minute, and then the other one goes all the way down there, tucked behind that chair. And then the passenger one you can't even see at all. So as you can see, it's up there. Look at that, that looks sick. I've actually managed just to make that go under the mat as well, so you can't even see it. I mean, look, you can't even see that. So that comes up around. Obviously I can't hide it there. I might try and take this plastic stuff off and see if I can feed it through. But yeah, so that's the passenger. And then as we come around to the back where all the shagging happens, as you can see, this is tucked literally in there, and then these just tucked in the corner there, and it goes all the way around to the box. So yeah guys, obviously I will show you tonight. So yeah, let's flip to tonight. 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so we're now inside the car, and it is literally 2 o'clock at night. But yeah, we're at Lee's Castle actually. But yeah, this is what the LEDs look like inside. They are absolutely sick, and obviously I can change what they look like at night and different colours and all that kind of cool stuff. So I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to go and buy this LED set. I've got them in the back as well. But yeah, honestly, definitely recommend these. This looks so sick at night. But yeah guys, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next YouTube video. Peace.